Taking a look at the front of the device has a proximity sensor, a light sensor, along with the front camera, which is a VGA camera, and right below it you have the 4-inch AMOLED display along with the physical hardware buttons. Taking a look at the back of the device, you have this beast, which is the 41 megapixel camera along with an LED flash. Now taking a look at the right hand side of the device, you have the volume control buttons along with the center lock button and the dedicated shutter key. Taking a look at the top of the device, you have the 3.5mm jack, and on the go USB port, a noise cancellation mic along with the HDMI port. Speaking of the operating system on the Nokia PureView, it's the Nokia Bell. Yes, that's the latest version of Symbian. And now speaking of the display, it's got a resolution of 360 by 640 and has a coating of the Corning Gorilla Glass. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the PureView. It's got an internal memory of 16 GB and has an ARM processor of 1.3 GHz. Let me just go ahead and lift the battery. So it has a micro SIM, which is like you have on the iPhone 4, and a micro SD slot which has a capacity of 32 GB. So the external expandable memory is of 32 GB. So the phone is available in 3 colors, that is black, white and red. Now speaking of the battery, it has a 1400 mAh battery, which would give you a standby time of 450 hours. The PureView is not available in the Indian market currently, but it's expected to launch in June at a price of around 25,000 to 30,000 rupees. Thank you.